Today, I have to start some objective type of the question answer of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born 23 April 1564. 23 April 1564. It's a very important date. When was the William Shakespeare born? The 23 April 1564. When was William Shakespeare baptized? Baptized. Uh, the date is 26 April 1564. Okay, so birth, born 23 April 1564 and baptized date 26 April 1564. The name of Shakespeare's father and mother. Shakespeare's father name is John Shakespeare and his mother name Mary Arden. Father's name John Shakespeare and the mother name Mary Arden. Next, question number 4. Shakespeare was born in Stratford-on-Avon village. What country in the village in? The name is Warwickshire. Warwickshire. The question is Shakespeare was born in Stratford-on-Avon village. What country is in village in? ये पूछ रहा है कि ये जो विलेज वो किस कंट्री में पड़ता है, तो देयर नेम इज वॉर्विकशायर. ओके, और द नेम इज वॉर्विकशायर. Which age William Shakespeare belonged to? William Shakespeare, he was belonged to the Elizabethan age. William Shakespeare belonged to Elizabethan age. Okay, now a repeat question. Question number 5. Which age William Shakespeare belonged to? William Shakespeare belonged to Elizabethan age. How long did the Elizabethan era last? The last era of Elizabethan era 1558 to 1603. 1558 to 1563. Okay, next question. I have to repeat the question number 6. How long did the Elizabethan era last? It means कि एलिजाबेथन ईरा का जो लास्ट क्या है, तो 1558 टू 1603. वो द टाइमिंग 1558 टू 1603. ओके. हाउ लॉन्ग डिड द जैकोबियन एज लास्ट? हाउ डिड लॉन्ग द जैकोबियन एज? द जैकोबियन एज the lasting is 1603 to 1625. For the date there is a 1603 to 1625. How long did the Jacobean age? Jacobean age कितने समय तक रहा है? तो 1603 to 1625. 1603 to 1625. Okay. Now the next question, question number 8. When did Shakespeare write his play? It means उन्होंने अपने प्ले लिखना कब शुरू किया? तो he started to wrote a play 1600 to 1700, 17th century. The timing 16th century to 17th century. 16th century to 17th century. Okay. When did Shakespeare write his play? Shakespeare write your writing is the play 16th to 17th century. At the age of 7, which school Shakespeare was sent where he learned small Latin and less Greek? So when he was 7-year-old, he there's a S.T. Jones schools, grammar school, and Mary school. None of this. There's answer is C, grammar school. Okay, grammar school. There he learned the Latin and the less Greek. Next question number 10. Shakespeare knew small Latin and less Greek. Who said? मतलब शेक्सपियर को स्मॉल लैटिन और लेस ग्रीक कहा गया है, उसको किसने कहा है? देयर नेम इज दिस ऑप्शन इज देयर John Dryden, Ben Jonson, and the Philip Sidney, Robert Gray. The answer is Ben Jonson. Okay, question number 11. What was the name of Shakespeare's spouse? The Shakespeare's spouse name is Annie Hathaway. It means his wife. Their name is Annie Hathaway. What was the name of Shakespeare's spouse? Sexual spouse name. It means his wife name is Mary Annie Hathaway. What the name? His wife Annie Hathaway. How did were Shakespeare and Hathaway at the time of marriage? they they married 18 to 26 year old. मतलब 18, this is the age of the Annie Hathaway. No, sorry. 18 year old William Shakespeare, 26 years old Annie Hathaway. This is the time of the 18 Shakespeare or 26 Annie Hathaway. Next question, how many children did Shakespeare have? Shakespeare had three children. How many children have the Shakespeare have three children. One child, their name is Hamlet. He was died. It is believed that one Shakespeare had to leave Stratford. What was the reason? The answer is he was caught stealing a deer from सर थॉमस लूसी पार्क. मतलब सर थॉमस लूसी पार्क से एक हिरन चुराने के सिलसिले में उनको स्टैटफोर्ड छोड़ना पड़ गया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. द पीरियड ऑफ शेक्सपियर लॉस्ट ईयर, है ना. द पीरियड ऑफ शेक्सपियर लॉस्ट ईयर मतलब शेक्सपियर का लास्ट ईयर कौन सा पीरियड है? तो देयर आंसर इज 1585 to 92. Option number A, 1585 to 1592. This is the timing. It's called a lost year, 1585 to 92. Okay, next question. Reaching London in 1587, Shakespeare joined. Reaching London, Shakespeare joined. He joined the Burbage Company of Actors. Reading London in 1587, Shakespeare joined. शेक्सपियर ने क्या ज्वाइन किया? इन्होंने बारबेज कंपनी ऑफ एक्टर को ज्वाइन किया. इन 1594 शेक्सपियर बिकेम द चार्टर मेंबर ऑफ द विच थिएट्रिकल कंपनी. ही ज्वाइन द ग्लोब थिएटर ओन बाय द शेक्सपियर. ओके. आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ द क्वीन एलिजाबेथ इन 1603, द नेम ऑफ द Chamberlain's name was changed to Ben Jonson, Shakespeare, Robert Greene, Kingman. There is a Shakespeare man. There is answer is a Shakespeare man. Okay. Next question. Question number 19. Question number 19. Which of the following theatre companies was owned by Shakespeare, where his masterpieces were first performed? Globe Theatre. Which one of the following theatres companies was owned by the Shakespeare, where his masterpieces were first performed? Globe Theatre. Question number 20. When was Globe Theatre built? The Globe Theatre is built 1599. Okay, thank you.